Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now Drifter Stockton make many different types of tables. But I've got the one here. It's got a really nice finish and it matches the recliner chair just perfectly, and it's called a bamboo table. So I'm going to do an unboxing now and I'm going to show you how it's put together and how well it incorporates with these recliner chairs. So I've just got it right here. Okay, so there it is. Now I've already cut the lid open because to be honest, this is the second take, guys. I just filmed the whole video with the knife, cutting this open, setting all this up, to realise I didn't press the record on this little camera. So mate, I can't wait to get back to my decent camera. I mean, this thing is nice while I'm on the fly on the road to keep the videos out. But my other camera does such a much better job, and I can actually tell when it's on or off. So this is what we're looking at. Look at that. Bamboo, guys. That's full on bamboo. And look how quick these are to set up. That's it. She's all set up. As quick as that. As light as a feather. No weight in this, packs up really flat and goes really well with this chair that I showed you the other day. It's right behind me. Told you it's a perfect match. Matches a nice timber along here. I gather this must be bamboo as well. Very similar colour. The brown is beautiful. Goes with it really nice. Now, like I said, this is not the only Drifter Stockton table out. They do have many others. So my suggestion is to go on their website, which is drifterstockton.com.au, or if you can go to any of their stores. They've got about 3 stores at the moment, and there's a 4th one about to open. And the stores are located, of course, here in Australia. So Drifter Stockton is an Australian company. Whereas the Drifter Stockton are products that cannot be made here in Australia, but they can only be made in certain overseas countries, such as say Thailand or China. So these are affordable and they are still of very good quality. We can see there that's got the bamboo table, not like those little flimsy cardboard things. As soon as you put something heavy on it, just go poof, straight through, or as soon as it gets wet, poof, straight through. And I believe the legs are aluminium as well, so there's really nothing on there that will rust. So if you look after it, should last you a very long time, same as this chair. And I've got to tell you, I've managed to sit on this chair for a while now, mostly yesterday afternoon after I did the unboxing video, and I could tell you, it's comfy. I'm quite enjoying it right here. So I'm up on the mountains and near the Gold Coast hinterland here. And as you can see, there's a bush behind me. There's also a little cubby house up there. The kids that play it. So it's magic. So yeah, so if you're near any of the stores, there's one located in Brisbane. It's currently at Brendale, but in about 3 weeks, as this is being filmed right now, it's going to be relocated to Moss Street at Slacks Creek, which is somewhere near IKEA, which is about halfway, so kind of halfway between Gold Coast and Brisbane. So that's going to be great for me when I come up to Gold Coast here. It's be a quick run up to go to the Drifter store. So Rob, watch out, you're going to see me more often now, which I hope that's a good thing. I hope. Get along well. Rob's the manager at the Drifter Brisbane store. There's also a store at Gosford. The Gosford store, I haven't been to those stores yet, but apparently it's a huge warehouse store. It's humongous. And there's one on the main street of Gloucester, which is the hometown of Drifter, where Drifter started. The Drifter factory is located at Gloucester, and that's where the Drifter Stockton's home base is as such. And they've also got a store in the main street there as well. And I believe there's another store opening up very soon, somewhere north of Newcastle, if I'm right. I heard a little birdie told me, so there is another store coming. And who knows, it could see more stores, and hopefully it'll be a store come nearby you. But otherwise go on their website or go on my YouTube channel as well as many others. I mean, there are starting to get these products are starting to come into Australia now, and they're in great numbers. Okay, they're in great numbers. I mean, it's close to Christmas now, so if you're after a decent Christmas present, anything like that, particularly those fire pits. I mean, I know there are many importers of the fire pits and so on, and there's the original Snow Peak one, but try to get one before end of Christmas. I wish you luck. I heard a lot of them won't come in Australia till next year. But Drift to Stockton have got heaps of stock of the fire pit, heaps of stock of all these, all in time for Christmas, guys. So these things make great Christmas presents. I've got my nieces here. I'll see if they want to come on camera and they can introduce themselves. Do you want to come on camera? First one here is Katie. They just got back from school. So this is little Katie. Say hello.
Hi.
You'll have to go close because my mic's over here. And I've got another one here called Ava. And she's probably, is she too shy? You're going to come to the camera? Come on, we're on TV. It's going to be thousands, I hope thousands of people watch it. This is little Ava. Now, they're going to help me in one of the unboxing because it's Friday afternoon now here, so we got weekends coming up. So they're going to help me on some of the reviews that's coming up. So, might get them to do the review video, hey?
Yeah.
Give you guys a break from me?
What?
I don't know. So I've got something different that I'm actually filming at the moment, and we're cooking up a brisket over 8 hours, and we picked up one of these new, I don't know why they're not new, I mean for my sister it's new, jump back smokers, about $69. Picked up one of them, they haven't used it yet. So their brother-in-law's up there now. He's actually preparing the brisket, and I'm doing a few B-roll footages and so on, and I'm going to put a video together. So both of us, it's the first time we actually cooked the slow brisket. I did text the dreaded chef, and he offered some advice. So there we go. If it doesn't work out, we'll blame you. No. So we'll see how it goes, eh? It'll be on video. Hopefully it won't be a failure. Hopefully it'll be a success. I'm sure it'll be a success. And I've got some of the good old Gidgee charcoal as well. Luckily I picked up a bag down in Brisbane the other day. So I'm just about running out of breath. I'm thirsty as. I gotta go get a drink. So stay tuned and please subscribe, guys. It'll help my channel a lot. What do you say, girls? Subscribe. It says subscribe. That's a guinea pig, by the way, if you're wondering what that is. They're one of their pets. And you should hear it. It loves getting picked up, that one. They got it since it was a little baby. So please subscribe, guys. And more videos coming up real soon. So till then, cheers.